Hello guys, I am Bernardo. Finally I am here and I am really so excited to share with you my Growth Sinerama Extreme results. I am so sorry for late updating. As I said to you before, my daily life really so busy. Actually I want to share my results after each part of Growth Sinerama Extreme, but uploading and editing really takes so much time and I changed my mind. After finishing my 3 parts of Growth Sinerama Extreme and 3 battles of Maxboy, I want to share my results. So, thank you for your patience and we are beginning now. Firstly, I want to say some things about if you are first time watching my videos. If you know me from these videos first time, what is Growth Sinerama? Growth Sinerama is growth taller product, and Sİnerama company has 2 different type of Growth Sinerama product. One is Growth Sinerama WMX. This is older one, regular one. And another is new product, Growth Sinerama Extreme. Company says Growth Sinerama Extreme more powerful than Growth Sinerama WMX. We will see is true or not, because of I have used already old one Growth Sinerama WMX. If you are curious my Growth Sinerama WMX results, you can look my previous uploads. So guys, before starting Growth Sinerama WMX, I was 162 cm and I grew about 8 cm taller after 7 passes of Growth Sinerama WMX. My final height after 7 passes of Growth Sinerama WMX 170 cm. So I saved the money for Growth Sinerama Extreme and I have ordered 3 bottles Maxboy and 3 passes of Growth Sinerama Extreme. In this video, I will share you results about Growth Sinerama Extreme. I have tried 3 different methods for 3 parts of Growth Sinerama Extreme. So guys, we are beginning now. I am so excited to share results. In my first part of Growth Sinerama Extreme, I didn't do anything. Not daily 10 minutes hanging exercising or swimming, not do anything. And I am not surprising with results. I only grew around 0.6 centimeters. Yes, even not grow any centimeter, I'm not surprised, because as I said to you before, if you are using Growth Sinerama products, you need to do some exercising or swimming. Before experience, I also said to you, if you not do anything, you cannot get good results. These videos will keep you some lightening how you can get more benefit about Growth Sinerama. So guys, company says you don't need to do any exercising or something, but I don't believe that and I don't join them. When I did some exercising or swimming, I get much more better results with Growth Sinerama. So in my first part of Growth Sinerama Extreme, I didn't do anything. I only used product. I grew around 0.6 centimeter guys, and my height increased around 171 centimeter. After second part, I changed some things. I get so much emails. Bernardo, we cannot go swimming. I don't know swimming. What can I do if I cannot go to swim? Because in my regular Growth Sinerama WMX experience, I said I get the best results with when I go to swimming 4 times a week and 10 minutes daily hanging exercising. If you cannot go to swimming, listen this part carefully, what you can do. So in second part, I did again 10 minutes daily hanging exercising. Also additional Cobra Exercising. Yes, Cobra Exercising guys. I will give the details in my next upload how to do Cobra Exercising as soon as possible guys. Please follow my channels for this. And after applying 10 minutes daily hanging exercising and Cobra Exercising, I grew around 1.5 centimeter guys, and my height increased from 171 centimeter to 172.5 centimeter. Yes, Cobra Exercising working, but results is not so much difference than regular Growth Sinerama WMX. So after third part, I changed some things. What I did, my best results exercising. What is this? 10 minutes daily hanging exercising, additional 4 times swimming in a week. So each period is 30 minutes like before, and surprising, this is my best results from Growth Sinerama products, and I grew 2.7 centimeter guys. Yes, this is really so amazing. I never get these results with Growth Sinerama WMX, and I believe in that time Growth Sinerama Extreme is really more powerful than old Growth Sinerama WMX, because I never get these results with Growth Sinerama WMX. So guys, my final height 175 cm. I am really happy with the results. In total, I grew around 5 cm with 3 pods Growth Sinerama Extreme and 3 bottles of Maxboy. So guys, if you are using Growth Sinerama or Growth Sinerama Extreme, you need to use also Maxboy. Maxboy support the Growth Sinerama and you cannot separate it. I don't understand why company sells these products separately, because they need to using together. So guys, what can I say? Growth Sinerama is working greatly, and I heard about the new Growth Sinerama Extreme pills. I didn't experience about it, but also I want to use these pills. I want to save money and I want to update my results about it. Pills form will be more practical for using because of really hard to prepare 3 times a day, boiling water and preparing some Growth Sinerama products. This reason pills for using much more practical and time saver for me. So guys, this is my results. Thank you for your patience. You can follow my channel. I will give some growth taller tips. Also, if you want to learn my Cobra Exercising details, you can subscribe my channel. As soon as possible, I will upload my Cobra Exercising details. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next update.